like 12 o'clock in the morning, and I got him like this mini ice cream cake because that's what he said he wanted. This is not like his official cake or anything, but yeah, this is one of it, like a part of it. So I'm gonna take it in the room and surprise him with it. Babe. Your ice cream cake. It's the start of your birthday. No, you gotta blow out your candles. Happy birthday. Yes. Well, dang, that's a long wish. Yay! Good morning.
What up, what up, what up?
Ting, ting, ting. You remember that alarm? Good morning, y'all. The birthday boy.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Jessie.
And your girl Whitney.
I'm doing my Facebook post right now, so.
Yeah. Guys, I got some stuff planned for him today, but he has no idea what it is. It's all a surprise. I'm a little, you know, disappointed because a lot of the stuff that I planned didn't work out, so. But let's see how it goes, though. Let's see what happens. Happy birthday.
Thank you, dude.
Alright, guys, so Jesse just went to the gym. It's all me now. He went to the gym with my brother and his friend. I asked his friend to distract them so I could get everything set up and, you know, do the running around and everything that I need to do. So right now, I am going to the hotel to get it set up and ready and everything. And then by the time I get done setting everything up, they should be done at the gym. So I'm about to head out because I don't got a lot of time to work with. He said he's not gonna be long because he knows it's his birthday, and he's like, I'm pretty sure you have something planned, so promise I won't be long. So I gotta hurry up, okay? And then yeah, once I get to the hotel, I will cut the camera back on. So I just made it to the hotel, and I must say it is a cute setup. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. I was gonna get the jacuzzi. It's a pool suite. So I'm like, I don't need a jacuzzi if we're getting a pool suite. I would rather have the rainfall shower. So that's pretty cute. And then it's a double sink. And the mirrors are Bluetooth, I think. So you can connect your phone or whatever and play music on it, which is pretty good. And you know, I like that. And this is the Weber's Boutique Hotel. I think it's a really nice setup. It's really cute in here. And then what's in here? Like the closet. Yep, like the closet and safe and all that good stuff. And this is our bed right here. And then I'm gonna set up everything and then head back before, you know, it start getting late because we have a few things to do today before we come here. He doesn't know about any of this, by the way. Let's go outside. I want to see what the pool room looks like. Oh, I might as well bring a key because I don't want to get locked to freak out. But this is the pool area, and the jacuzzi is down there. I don't know if you can see two people in it, but yeah, this is the setup, and our room is right here. So we literally walk straight out of our room and to the pool. And they also have like a fitness center right here. Even though he's at the gym, I don't think he's gonna use it, in like a little bar. And they got a pool table over there. I kind of want to play this ping pong later, and the pool. That sounds fun. But yeah, guys, it's Weber's Boutique Hotel. We're not sponsored by them. I'm just, you know, saying the name in case someone in Michigan is watching and they want to, you know, give them a try. So I am going to grab our bag, our overnight bag that I packed, and then start setting up. Alright guys, so I did not a lot of, you know, decorations because it is a hotel. I don't want to do too much, you know. So I put some rose petals on the bed. I got some candles laid out, massage oil ready, wine glasses, our ice bucket. I have wine. I'm gonna ask them to keep it at the front in like a fridge because this fridge is not cold at all. I did the bathroom with the candles going down. So later on, I'm gonna light them and you'll see the, you know, the night version. So we are at our first stop, which is the virtual reality room. It's a VR room with like virtual video games and stuff. Were you surprised?
I was surprised. Yeah,
Say hi, guys.
First one. And you said you've never done this before?
Nope.
Alright, so when I get this one on you, go ahead and turn around. There you go. Go ahead and turn around. Alright, that makes sense.
Pretty good.
What are you seeing?
Like a whole nother world.
Alright, so top left, you see where it says VR tutorial? Yep, use the triggers to click on it. Then go to start. Yep. Alright, so go ahead and take your hands all the way forward. Yep, you see those blue lines?
Yep.
Those are the walls. So there's going to be a talking tree right behind you who's going to teach you how to use these controllers. Go ahead and turn around. All the way. There you go. Yep. That's going to teach you how to use these controllers. Okay.
Yes,
Let's go next.
I'm the tree. Very happy to meet you. Before we get started, I've got some important information. See that gridded laser? That's your virtual barrier.
I'm going to feel that. Right now,
You might hit a wall in
go ahead
real
and put
life.
your hands out and make fists.
Say you might hit a wall in real life. What the heck?
Virtual reality.
Just don't headbutt anything. Birthday boy.
Good one. Alright. Hopefully you enjoy the rest of your birthday.
Alright. Alright, so VR was dope. Alright, it was definitely dope, man. I played the zombie game, scared the shit out of me. It was crazy though, cause just like it started off with, you know, zombies going all slow, you just shooting them. Ta ta. It's crazy how accurate and how defined these games is. It's pretty dope. So that's like, I ain't never done that before, and that's definitely really dope. I had fun with that. But all I heard was, when I turned around, it was a giant zombie chasing me, man. He was right by me. I was like, oh, I almost jumped, probably broke a wall, everything. I'm telling you. But it was definitely fun. If y'all have not tried VR, try it out. It's so dope.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, we are at the restaurant Andiamo's in Fenton. Thank you, baby. Oh, go ahead. Hi. We have a reservation for 8 at 8. I mean, oh, okay.
We're going to be headed right this way.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Sit right there, babe. And I'll sit right here. Tuttle, really? They so goofy. Why do you think you have to stick your pinky out? You're not drinking high tea.
This means
It's not high tea. Did you drink some liquor before you got here?
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I just made it back to the hotel. He's about to walk in. He's outside. I left him in the car. He has no idea what's going on whatsoever. And so I just wanted to show you everything after. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, that's dangerous. But I didn't light them until I got here. So it's not like they've been lit this whole time, you know? So, but yeah. Look at that. I just feel like you gotta do stuff like this sometimes, you know? Even though it's just a birthday, you just gotta show the person that you appreciate them and that, you know, they matter and you care about them. So, let's get his reaction when he walks in, guys. I'm excited. Here you come, guys. Hi, baby. How you doing? You like your last surprise for today? Uh-huh. You do? Okay, open that curtain. Open the other curtain. Yeah. They have a jacuzzi and a pool, and we have a poolside room. And the pool don't close till 12, so we can put on our swimsuits and go out there and sit in the jacuzzi if you want. It's on the other side. You can go out there, babe. Wait, the deadbolt is on. I had put it on when I came earlier. It's on the other side. Down there. Yep. I hope you like it. You like it? You can take your mask off now, babe. Look at the handsome birthday boy, y'all. I was telling him I'm mad because the camera died. And I got to use my phone for everything. But yep, I got the massage walls over there. Give you a nice massage. But alright guys, we are... Yeah, you ready to get in the water, huh?